Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Renee and today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the SKIMS return process. I know, I thought it was going to be a disaster and it was going to be like the worst experience ever, but it actually ended up pretty good and I'm going to tell you guys how it went. So what I did was I ended up buying multiple items in different sizes because I didn't know what size I was going to fit or what fit I wanted. And you can click the link above detailing my haul and showing you my review on the initial try on and the items that I did get. I got a pretty good mix of everything, so definitely check it out. But regarding the return, I did have to return one item that was in a size I didn't need. So I went ahead and I went to skims.com/return. That's gonna take you to the return page and I'll put the link below in the description. But you go there and you grab your order number, go ahead and paste it in, and then it's gonna show you how many days you have left to return because you only get 30 days as a return time that you're eligible for return. So it's gonna show you where you're at in that process, and it's also gonna bring up the items that you purchased. And I'm gonna show you guys in video format as well because I did screen record it not knowing if it was gonna be like a struggle buzz or not. So it pulls up your items, you click the ones you want to return, hit next, and then it's actually going to create a printing label for you or a shipping label for you. So, and they ship to USPS, so it's going to have a shipping label for that, and you print it off, throw it on a package with that order detailing slip right in the package with it, and then ship it off. I did that last week and I just got an email stating that my package has been received and that my refund is on the way. Downside, there is a $6 reshelving fee. Upside, it really wasn't that difficult, and I guess the way Kim probably thinks is that if you can pay $75 for a tank top, perhaps you can pay $6 for her to put it back on the shelf. Maybe she's right. But it's not per an item, it's just per shipment. So that's a positive. So at least it's not, you know, several $6. So that is my review on the return process. Pretty easy peasy. Go ahead and click the link above to watch my haul and click the link below to go to skims.com/returns. If this was helpful for you, go ahead and like and subscribe and let me know it. And until next time, I'll holler at you.